Alright, this is how to reset your oil life on your 2015 Cadillac Escalade. On this one I was trying to figure it out, and what I was doing is I was turning it on, and let's get the display up here. Okay, when you use the select button here to navigate these different sections up here, as you can see, when I hit the select button side to side, it moves. And then you see an arrow. You see these arrows here and here. Every time you select a different one, you can see arrows. So it brings you to the menu. You know, you can scroll up and down. Each time I come over here, I can scroll up and down by hitting the select up and down here. So to reset the oil, you're gonna actually go all the way over to the odometer one here. But when you hit the select up and down, it doesn't do anything, because it's supposed to be information here displayed here. So you actually need to the car's actually got to be running on this one, which is unusual. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Yeah, now see, you got your information display there, and you can scroll up and down with this. Select which one you want. So we're gonna go over there. Then I can scroll up and down through the information here. Once you get to your oil, once you get to the oil there, just go to reset, and then you're going to hold the select button. And the select button is this button right here. Just push down, hold it, and you'll hear a beep, and it's all reset. Hope this video was helpful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Flat Rate Mechanic.